Hey Arctic Warriors, what's up? Arctic Phoenix here. I think this is the last year I'm doing head-to-head in fantasy football. I mean, this season has been ugly with a capital U. Just look at this. 51-point loss. No one on my team outside of Paka did well, and he got injured during the game. Just everything that can go wrong did. CJ Stroud struggled. Bijan Robinson struggled. Niners D struggled. Aaron Jones, dumpster fire. Mario Montu-Gobbs, dumpster fire. Happy the Packers won that game. Mark Andrews didn't do much. Kareem Hunt didn't do much. Brandon Audrey didn't do much. But you can kind of blame the Cowboys for that. And not too much activity on the bench with Pitts doing nothing. Bengals defense being useless. Elliott not doing much. Lockett not doing much. And Madison not doing much. As for Ryan Bowman, oh geez, Tyreek Hill turned into a demigod. Minnesota D stepped up, and A.J. Brown did decent things. My team is dead in the water. We're 5-6. We're 2 games out of the playoffs with 3 games left, so pretty much screwed out of playoff contention at this point because I'm cursed in fantasy football. And yeah, I'm pretty much done after this year, at least in terms of head-to-head. Just, I hate fantasy football. Just, no way I'm probably ever going to be in the playoffs. Thank you. Have a nice day. Peace.